It's Class Inspector today, inspecting this Nissan Qashqai for you. It's 2015. Bodywork, let's go for the bodywork. Bodywork is in good condition for its age and mileage, in line obviously with some imperfections like one ding. There's one ding, there's some chipped off, some hand nail scratches around the door handles, which obviously would be expected for its age. These sections are incorrectly slightly jacked up, and pushing slightly wing out minor can be adjusted. Bumper, this section, the bonnet, this section has a bit of significant scratches, needs some polishing. Regards to this corner, this section here, visible smart repair on a bumper. Not very great work, but satisfactory. Regards to all alloy wheels, they are poor condition. They're due for refurb, but considering the vehicle is 10-year-old, it's never been done. Regards to interior, it is due for full wallet. It has some stains on a roof liner, but in general has some scratches. Is in a healthy condition. There's fair wear and tear marks. Very good for age. On the side, some improvements. Lower arms changed on both sides. Some surface corrosion on front suspension marks. Some smart repair visible. Put something on the cleaner on a trim, and it's changed the shade. So I added some age-related issues in the report. We would need definitely rear pads, front pads at some point, but it's advisable to just change both of them, for front and back. As you can see on a bumper, this corner slightly shade difference. So nothing else has been repaired vehicle. There's no evidence vehicle has been involved in any significant accident. It had some minor body repairs, which are done to the good standard, and I would not comment on them. So I'm going to go for the road test, and any abnormal issues. If there's any of this vehicle drivability, I'll put in a report. Regards, yeah, that looks quite bad. Regards to engine of 2019 has been replaced at the Nissan main dealer, and there is some oil leaks developing on the right side of the chain cover. It could be coming from the turbo lubrication pipe, feed pipe, not secure properly, but it needs further investigation. So far, vehicle's in satisfactory condition. There's no major reason to reject it. Thanks for using this.